to my Bambu Labs P1S. What an absolute mess. I've had to take the extruder and the hot end off. The extruder was clogged, so I removed the blockage, put it all back, replaced the nozzle with the spare nozzle that comes with the package, and it still didn't extrude. So the culprit was actually the hole which leads from the Bowden tube. So this tiny little hole was blocked, perfectly blocked, with a lump of ASA filament. So I've now removed that blockage of the hole, so I just need to put all this mess back. So there's the extruder in, the 3 screws. Just need to connect the ribbon cable. There's the ribbon cable pushed in the extruder. There's the 2 bolts for the extruder for the hot end. So nearly there. Not much more to do. Just need to push these ribbon cables in, put the Bowden tube back in, and the cutter needs to be positioned in. So I've got everything in. The cutter is in position, the Bowden tube is in. Now the ribbon cables, I cannot get it under the bracket, that larger one. Hopefully there'll be no error in the heat up process. I'll soon know, because the phone will alert me if there's an error. So I just need to put the face back on. So the front fan face is now on. Going to give it a bit of a clean up inside. Clean the bed, it's dirty, and hopefully start a print, and all will be well, and I will get ASA extruded. It's working. I didn't think it was black coming out, but it must have been, so it's working. Finally fixed it. I did have to reset the ribbon cable I think twice, because it wasn't pushed in enough. Hopefully